Hi, today's science experiment is called Dancing Raisins, and this is a really easy experiment to do and doesn't need much to do it. It's not the sort of experiment that has all the whiz bang. It's a really good observation experiment, and I really like it because it's a wee bit visual. So to do this, you'll need some sultanas or some raisins. I'm actually going to try both to see which works the best. A couple of glasses, the taller the better. And you'll need some soda water. So I'm lucky I've got a soda stream, I've just made it up, but you can use store-bought soda water or tonic water or lemonade. Anything that's fizzy and clear will do the trick. So all we need to do is to fill the glasses up with the fizzy water. Once that's done, I'm just going to pop half a dozen or so raisins in one and half a dozen or so sultanas in the other. And you can use either, but since I've got both, I just wanted to see if one was better than the other. So far, that's just our fizzy water. So let's just pop in some sultanas. We'll just make sure they're not stuck together. Straight away they sink. You see quite a few bubbles. And as I said, it's a bit of an observation one, and already it's starting to work quite well. So sultanas in that one, and raisins in the other. I've got no idea if one's better than the other, but that's what science is about, isn't it? So what we can see in the sultana one, because that's had a bit more time to do it, the sultanas have got lots of air bubbles on them at the bottom. And as they start to collect lots of air bubbles, and they collect them because that's a really rough surface and the carbon dioxide bubbles can stick onto them. And once they've got enough, they float to the top. But once they've gone to the top, most of those carbon dioxide bubbles burst, so they can't hold it up anymore. So then they sink to the bottom, collect some more, and then up they go again. And the raisins look like they're going fairly well as well. Just sort of collecting the bubbles. I think the sultana, so there's a bit of movement in the raisin one, but I think the sultana ones are probably working a wee bit better. They're a wee bit bigger, I think, so they've probably got a little bit more surface area for them to collect on. The raisins want to go, but not quite. And we can just see those air bubbles or the carbon dioxide bubbles bursting as they get to the top. So we're about 5 minutes into it now, and we can see raisins on this side have really started to take off now. They did take a wee while, but once they're going, they're really going for it. And the sultanas over here, 5 minutes into it, are still dancing around. So in hindsight, I think, well, whatever reason, maybe the size of them, the sultanas took off straight away. Sultanas took a wee bit longer. The raisins, sorry, took a wee bit longer, but once they got themselves full of carbon dioxide, they're going really, really well. So as a wee extension, you could try this with other small dried fruit. I don't know if big dried fruit would particularly work, but I think one of the key things, it's got to have a lot of wrinkles in it for those bubbles to latch onto. So something like dried cranberries perhaps, but it'd be really interesting to try some other things. Thank you for watching.